Welcome to Top Shopping today. Here are 3 things you need to know about the Klipsch RP-280F speaker pair. The first thing is that it has a 5-star rating out of 217 reviews on Amazon. The second thing to know is at the time of this recording, it is only being sold by third-party sellers on Amazon. And finally, the third thing, here's what some people had to say about the product. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for more in-depth information about this product, please click one of the videos on the end screen.